Hello, lovely children. Today we're going to learn about Chapter 1. Numbers greater than 100,000. In this chapter, we're going to have 5 lessons. Lesson A. Reading and writing numbers greater than 100,000 in words. Lesson B. Place value and digit value. Lesson C. Writing numbers in expanded form. Lesson D. Comparing and ordering numbers. And Lesson E. Estimation. We will also have practices and exercises. Now let me ask you, what do you see in the picture? Yes, it's the map of Thailand. Do you know what's the area of Thailand? Is it greater than 100,000? Yes, it is. The area of Thailand is 513,115 square kilometers. Now let's learn counting by 100,000 in order for us to know what other numbers are greater than 100,000. 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, 400,000, 500,000, 600,000, 700,000, 800,000, 900,000, 1 million. So now we know that if we have 10 100,000s, that is equal to 1 million. Notice that we have 5 zeros for 100,000 and we add 1 zero for 1 million. Therefore, 1 million has 6 zeros. Now this is how we write 1 million in Arabic numerals, Thai numerals, and in words. Now let's start counting by 1 million. 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, 5 million, 6 million, 7 million, 8 million, 9 million, and 10 million. So 10 1 millions is equal to 10 million. If 1 million has 6 zeros, 10 million has 7 zeros. This time, let's start counting by 10 million. 10 million, 20 million, 30 million, 40 million, 50 million, 60 million, 70 million, 80 million, 90 million, 100 million. Now we know that 10 millions is equal to 100 million. Again, we add another zero for 100 million. If 10 million has 7 zeros, 100 million has 8 zeros. And this is how we write 100 million in Arabic numerals, Thai numerals, and in words. Let's note that the larger the number is, the more zeros it has. When reading and writing numbers greater than 100,000, we have to use the place value periods. In the picture, you can see there are 3 houses. Each house is separated by a fence, which is a comma. Each house has 3 rooms, which are called units. Each room has a number. When we are reading larger numbers, we use comma to separate large numbers into smaller pieces, which we called periods. Each period has no more than 3 numbers in it. Comma makes large numbers easy to read. When we read numbers, we start from left to right. Let's try reading the number in the picture. It is read as 928,650,914. Millions, thousands, and hundreds or ones or units are called periods. Don't forget, they are called periods. Now let's take a look at this place value chart. Do you notice something? Yes, they are separated in 4 colors. Each color has 3 units. Let's represent each color by period. The purple color represents the billions period. The yellow color represents the millions period. The pink color represents thousands period. And the sky blue color represents the hundreds or units or ones period. Now let's learn about the abbreviations of each place value. Let's state the place values from left to right, starting with the billions period. So we've got 100 billions, 10 billions, and billions. Next is the millions period. They are 100 millions, 10 millions, and millions. Next is the thousands period. We have 100 thousands, 10 thousands, and thousands. And the last one is the hundreds period. We have hundreds, tens, and ones. 100 billions can be written as HB. 10 billions, in short, is TB. Billions is B. 100 millions is HM. 10 millions is DM. Millions is M. 100 thousands is H, T, H. 10 thousands is TTH. Thousands is TH. Hundreds is H. Tens is T. And ones is O. Let's imagine that we have an abacus. Now, in abacus, we have to place values. The first place value from the rightmost is O, which stands for ones. Next is T for tens, H for hundreds, TH for thousands, TTH for 10,000s, HTH for 100,000s, M for millions, TM for 10 millions, HM for 100 millions, B for billions, TB for 10 billions, and HB for 100 billions. Now let's put some rods on each place value. Then let's drop some beads on each rod. Are you ready to count? Okay, let's do it. 1 bead, 2 bead, 3 bead, and 4 beads. Now, we've got 4 beads for ones, 5 beads for tens, 8 beads for hundreds, and no bead for thousands. 2 beads for 10,000s, 6 beads for 100,000s, 2 beads for millions, 1 for 10 millions, 7 for 100 millions, 9 beads for billions, 3 beads for 10 billions, and 7 beads for 100 billions. Now let's write the number for each place value. So we have 700 billions, 310 billions, 9 billions, 700 millions, 110 millions, 2 millions, 600,000s, 2 10,000s, 0 thousands, 8 hundreds, 5 tens, and 4 ones. Now, don't forget to insert comma for each period. Now let's read the number by period from left to right. So we read 739 billion, 712 million, 620,000, 854. That's great! Now let's practice more. In this example, we've got 3 periods. We have millions, thousands, and hundreds. Now, how do we write 5 millions in words? We write it as 5, F-I-V-E, 5, and million, M-I-L-L-I-O-N, million. So we read the first period as 5 million. Next, let's read the thousands period. 327,000. How do we write it in words? First, we spell 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Next, 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100. And after 100, we will say and, A and D. Next, 27. T-W-E-N-T-Y dash S-E-V-E-N. 27. And thousand. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D. Thousand. Next, let's try to read the hundreds period. That is 414. Spell 4. F-O-U-R 4. Next, 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100. And A-N-D. And 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. 14. So we have 414. Let's read the whole number. That's 5,327,414.